Imagine a life where luxury knows no bounds. A world where palaces gleam with gold, private jets rival the comfort of the finest hotels, and your fleet of Rolls-Royces glides silently through the streets of a kingdom you command. This is not a fantasy. This is the everyday life of King Salman of Saudi Arabia. From his opulent residences in Riyadh to his breathtaking summer retreat in Morocco, the level of wealth and grandeur at play is beyond what most could ever imagine. But what really lies behind the closed doors of one of the most powerful monarchs on earth? Stay with us as we take you inside King Salman's world of unimaginable luxury and power.